Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
The Brawl Stars Pro Pass 2025 is your ultimate ticket to exclusive rewards, giving you a real edge in the arena. It's packed with unique brawlers, shiny skins, and essential resources that truly elevate your game, making every match more exciting and fun. Don't miss this chance to transform your playing experience, securing content that will make your profile stand out and give you a real boost this coming year. The Pro Pass is a premium upgrade, offering content far beyond what the standard pass provides. Imagine exclusive brawlers that truly change your gameplay, alongside stunning skins that make your favorites shine. You'll also gain access to a treasure trove of coins, power points, and other vital resources, accelerating your progress significantly. It's designed to give dedicated players a distinct advantage and a more rewarding journey. Acquiring your Pro Pass 2025 is straightforward. The main method involves purchasing it directly from the in-game shop with gems. Therefore, consistently saving your gems is crucial if you want to grab it as soon as it drops. Keep a close eye on any special announcements or limited-time offers, as Supercell sometimes releases discounted bundles that include the pass, providing excellent value for your careful planning and patience. Once you have your Pro Pass, maximizing its value is key to unlocking all those fantastic rewards quickly. Make sure to complete all your daily and weekly quests. These are your primary source of XP and progression. Furthermore, actively participating in every in-game event and challenge will significantly boost your tier advancement. Consistent logins also ensure you catch any special bonuses or freebies, making your journey through the pass even more rewarding. The Brawl Stars Pro Pass 2025 offers an unparalleled opportunity to elevate your gameplay and enjoy exclusive content. Don't let this chance slip away to enhance your brawler collection and customize your look with unique skins. Start saving your gems today, stay updated on announcements, and prepare to unlock a whole new level of fun. You'll be glad you did, transforming your entire Brawl Stars adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.